Today we discuss posture. Should we be focusing on trying to fix it, or is there a better and more efficient use of our time? And if you're anything like me, I could deal with more time. We'll get that answered and cover 3 exercises that give you the best bang for your buck, so make sure you stick around for those. Contrary to common belief, poor posture does not cause pain. There are numerous studies on text neck and kyphosis, that's hunchback, that shows no direct link to increased pain. Now, I'll put some links in the description below for any of you nerds that want to check out those studies. While these conditions may limit range of motion, they don't necessarily lead to pain. Muscle soreness is regularly mistaken for injury. It can simply be a result of lack of muscle endurance or strength, similar to post-exercise soreness. We don't usually panic when we get sore legs after a run or a game of tennis, right? But some soreness in the neck or the lower back, and often we catastrophize the issue. Keep in mind for later in the video, research also shows that regular strength training reduces aches and pains and makes daily activities easier. That also includes tennis and running. Standing or sitting with perfect posture isn't necessarily the best. Physiotherapists often say that the next posture is your best posture. Alternating between postures, such as slouching and sitting upright, helps to promote discal fluid shift. This altering pressure around the discs actually facilitates better nutrient circulation and improved spinal health. So it's not that slouching is better, just a matter of changing positions regularly throughout the day for increased benefits. Time to cue 2 famous guys talking if you want some more opinions on this.
There's a common saying that's utilized in this evidence-based physio crowd that your next posture is your best posture. And it's just that by the nature of moving between them, you're going to get benefit. One benefit that comes with slouching is actually that we get more discal fluid shift. And so if you were to maintain this nice upright posture for a very long duration of time, your discs actually don't get a lot of fluid shifted to them. And so when you go into that more slouch position, because of the change in gradient of pressure, we have some pressure move from the front to the back, and that changes the circulating chemicals that allow for better healing, better maintenance of homeostasis, etc. So there's a lot of benefit that comes from just these natural little changes that you do.
Now, there are times when a tall, confident posture pays dividends, especially when you're on the slightly shorter side like me. Think about walking into a party. You guys know what I mean. Can't see the food and drink table when you're down here. You'll find countless daily posture fix drills on social media, showcasing before and after pics that are clearly taken minutes apart, making them unreliable case studies. Spending 10 minutes every other day on these drills often yields little or no difference. They are not fundamentally bad exercises. However, there are better options out there for your time and effort. Instead, focus on compound movements, especially those targeting the posterior chain or the back of your body. These will improve postural strength and overall well-being. These movements not only enhance strength, but they contribute to longevity and stability. Remember KISS again? Simplify your approach and prioritize efficiency. Less complications, better results. Here's 3 exercises that give way more bang for your buck than daily posture fix drills. It's the deadlift, farmer's carry, and bent over rows. Now, I've got videos on 2 of these. I'll put the link up here and down in the description below for those. I will have a video on the bent over row coming very soon. Now, before I continue, I'd just like to ask a quick favor. If you are enjoying my content, please like, please subscribe, but also share my video with others. It's how I'm going to be able to keep making content for you. I've also got a newsletter I send out regularly. Here's the address for that. I'm going to put that link in the description below. You can join that newsletter where I send out extra content on a regular basis. Right, back to the video. So let's do a quick summary and put this all into a simple package for you. Stop worrying about your posture. If you have pain that is severe, of course seek professional advice. Change your posture regularly throughout the day. Too much of the same thing is never good for us, apparently. Maximize the efficiency of your exercise time. Do deadlifts. Do farmer's carry. These are a great starting exercise for beginners or those with back and neck pain. Just start slow and easy. Do bent over rows. Get strong, get confident with your daily activities, and boost your longevity at the same time. Although we didn't cover this earlier, do some cardio. Start with walking, build it up over time to speed walking or jogging. That's another huge benefit for longevity. Plus it will help build natural postural support throughout the body. There you have it, why you should be choosing strength over posture. Now, if you're not sure where to get started on your fitness journey, download the free Longevity Plus Move and Improve Guide. I'll put a link for that in the description below. It's got everything you need to get started now. Remember, the goal of this channel is to simplify and clarify so you can take action now. Remove the confusion and possible analysis paralysis. Until next time, keep moving, keep improving, and keep your mojo alive. And if you haven't already, please press the like button, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon so you'll always be notified when a new video is released.